Welcome you all. I am Dr. Pramod Sapkala. Welcome you all on this new platform, that is the PS Commerce Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the financial statement analysis and control. Actually, this subject is all over India. Means बहुत सारे यूनिवर्सिटीज है जहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाया जाता है. Mainly in this subject, what we are going to do, what we are going to discuss, we are going to discuss about the various tools and techniques to analyze the financial statement. Before moving ahead, I would like to discuss about the what are the basics of the financial statement. It means that what is a financial statement, or before that, just I would like to highlight the syllabus of the this subject. Actually, so we'll see what is the syllabus. So syllabus of this subject you can see on the screen. There is a two mode actually. One mode is of for distance, that is a school of open learning and distance learning, and then second mode is of regular mode, that is a students कॉलेज में जाते हैं, वहाँ पे पढ़ते हैं और अपना काम करते हैं. So that is the one mode. This is the distance mode and this is a regular mode. डिस्टेंस मोड में एग्जाम का पैटर्न है एनुअल पैटर्न. एग्जाम जो होता है वो साल में एक ही बार होता है. एंड दिस इज वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ द SPPU, सावित्रीबाई फुले पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी पुणे. हियर यू कैन सी द रेगुलर मोड. रेगुलर मोड में पैटर्न है सेमेस्टर पैटर्न. एग्जाम जो होते हैं साल में 2 बार होते हैं, सेमेस्टर वाइज, सेमेस्टर 1, सेमेस्टर 2. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो ऑफ द SPPU. It does not mean that कि this lectures is not useful to you. जहाँ पे this subject is there, so all of you can take the advantage of these lectures. So we'll go through the syllabus. What is the syllabus of this subject? Actually, more or less syllabus of both mode is more or less common. Only few variations are there, that also we'll discuss. See, in the distance mode, we have first unit, that is of accounting for emerging sectors. Accounting for emerging sector. In this unit, university has given the theoretical background, like what is the management accounting, what are the advantages of management accounting, what are the limitations of management accounting, and so on and so forth. Here also introduction of management accounting. In regular mode also, the syllabus in unit number 1 is same. There is also what is the management accounting, what are the advantages, disadvantages, limitations. Then so in these two unit, means here regular mode and the distance mode, syllabus is same. Then we have second unit, that is a application of management accounting techniques. Applications of management accounting techniques. Mainly here marginal costing is there, and that is the CVP analysis. CVP analysis means cost volume profit analysis. In regular mode also, second unit is of marginal costing. Marginal costing techniques means syllabus is same here also. Then third unit is budget. Here also budget and budgetary control, both are the one and the same actually. Then next comes to working capital management, and here it comes to pricing decisions. Actually here it is a variation. In distance mode, student has to study additionally working capital management, whereas in regular mode student has to go through the pricing decision. This is a variation in the distance and regular mode actually. Then it comes to unit number 5, fundamentals of financial analysis and control. In regular mode also we have analysis and interpretation of financial statement. Here the topic is same, even content is also same, not just the title is same but the content is also same. Here we have to study the what is a financial analysis and control, what is the financial statement analysis and interpretation. So this is the same topic. Then next it comes to comparative and common size statement. Comparative and common size statement. Here in the regular mode we have fund flow statement. Fund flow statement. So here also you can see that little bit variation is there. You can see that ki in the distance mode here common size and comparative statements are there, but in the regular mode you can see these comparative and common size statements are covered in this unit only, in unit number 5. That is in first unit. This is actually up to this is the one semester, MCOM part 1 semester 1, and from here to rest of the part is of semester 2. So I am talking about this unit, analysis and interpretation of financial statement. In this unit itself, they have covered the comparative statement and common size statement. Even in this statement, in this unit, they have covered the ratio analysis also. Then cash flow statement and fund flow statement. In the distance mode and in regular mode, both they have the fund flow statement and cash flow statement. So fund flow statement and cash flow statement here is also there. Cash flow statement is there. Fund flow statement is there. And the last part is that ratio analysis and trend analysis. So this ratio analysis and trend analysis is covered in the analysis and interpretation of financial statement. One more additional part that is of capital budgeting. This capital budgeting is not there in the distance mode. Capital budgeting जो है वो distance mode में नहीं है. Only in the regular mode we have the basics of capital budgeting. Means capital budgeting is additional topic है आपके लिए. So more or less syllabus is same. Only one thing I would say here कि आपको जो regular mode में है तो उनके लिए one pricing decision, that is one additional topic, and basics of capital budgeting. These two topics are the additional topics. So ये दो जो topic है आपके लिए नए हैं और I would say that कि आपके syllabus में ज़्यादा है. Otherwise rest of the things in distance mode and rest of the thing in the regular mode both are the one and the same. कोई फर्क नहीं है. So we'll move ahead and today we'll discuss about the financial statement. Before that, moving ahead, I would like to show you the pyramids of subject. This is just I have drawn actually for your understanding. So first branch, actually you know that there are various branches of accounting. From 11th standard onwards we are studying financial accounting. Then in graduation we have studied cost accounting. Then at PG level generally comes management accounting. Then comes the financial management. So what is the point of these branches? See, financial accounting and cost accounting, these are the two basic branches. I would say that they are the data providing agency. They are the data providing agency. Financial accounting and cost accounting. Financial accounting deals with the preparation of financial statement. What is the purpose of financial accounting? Financial accounting deals with the preparation of financial statement, right? We are going to discuss what are the financial statement, what is called financial statement. Then cost accounting. Cost accounting deals with the preparation of cost statement, like you have cost sheet, right? So various statements are prepared under the cost accounting. Then these two are the data providing agency actually. Both branches have some limitations. दोनों branch जो है उनके कुछ ना कुछ limitations है. So if you discuss the financial accounting के कुछ limitations है. Generally they are financial accounting deals with the preparation of financial statement and that is the only end of the or that is the area covered by the financial accounting. In case of cost accounting जो है तो cost statement prepare करने के काम करते हैं. Now because of these two branches has certain limitations, we have to study the management accounting. Why we have to study the management accounting? Because answer of some questions are not given by the financial accounting or cost accounting, right? So what we have to do, we have to study the management accounting. Then after this management accounting is also have some limitations, and for that what we are doing to then we are going to study the financial management. So this is the pyramid actually of subject. So we have done this financial accounting at our 11th standard, 12th standard, in some part in FY, SY. Those who have specialization of cost accounting, they have studied this cost accounting at graduation level. Then this management accounting is at a PG level. Then financial management is also at PG level. In some universities, some classes under graduation level also financial management is there, but that is at a very basic level. So we'll move ahead and we'll see the financial statement. What is the meaning of financial statement actually? Financial statement, what we call the financial statement. So generally financial statement, when we say that financial statement, immediately balance sheet comes in our mind. profit and loss account comes in our mind. But if we see the meaning of this financial statement, we can say that ki financial statements are the end product of the financial accounting process. End product मतलब क्या है, सब प्रोसेस करने के बाद आखिर में हमको जो कुछ मिलता है, दैट इज द एंड प्रोडक्ट, दैट इज द एंड प्रोडक्ट. एंड एंड प्रोडक्ट किसका है? फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग प्रोसेस. फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग प्रोसेस in 11th standard you might have studied the accounting cycle. So what accounting cycle is there? It starts from the bookkeeping is there, then journal is there, after journal then we have ledger posting, after ledger posting we do the balancing, then we prepare trial balance, then we prepare the trading account, profit and loss account, then balance sheet. So this is the accounting cycle actually. So financial statements are the end product of the financial accounting process. That is the financial statement. So financial statement in relation to company. So generally we'll discuss about the financial statements of company, because we have to do the financial statement analysis and interpretation of the company. So we'll generally discuss the financial statements of company. So क्या क्या दिया है, right? Financial statement includes, see, this is given in the section 2 subsection 40 of the Companies Act 2013, right? Meaning of financial statement is defined under section 2 subsection 40 of Companies Act 2013. So what section 2 subsection 40 of Companies Act 2013 talks? It talks about the financial statement, and that is in relation to company, and that is includes, it includes. So what it includes? फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट में क्या क्या इंक्लूड होता है? सो फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट में सबसे पहले जो इंक्लूजन है, दैट इज आवर बैलेंस शीट. बैलेंस शीट एट द एंड ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल ईयर, दैट इज द बैलेंस शीट. सो बैलेंस शीट, दैट इज द वन पार्ट ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट. सो व्हाट इज द बैलेंस शीट? बैलेंस शीट आपको सबको मालूम होगा. बैलेंस शीट इज द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट विच शोज द फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर डेट, दैट इज कॉल्ड फाइनेंशियल, that is the balance sheet. After this balance sheet we have statement of profit and loss account, statement of profit and loss for the financial year, or nowadays under the Companies Act 2013 name of this profit and loss account has changed, and one fancy name came, that is a income statement. So income statement is nothing but the combination of your trading account and the profit and loss account, दोनों को मिलके what we call that income statement is made. So these two components are there. In addition to this component, 3 additional components are there actually. So let us see that. Third and more important, that is the cash flow statement. This cash flow statement is there. Cash flow statement क्या है? So cash flow statement is the statement which shows the flow of cash, that is inflow and outflow. So cash flow statement is also one of the most important part of the financial statement. After that we have a statement of changes in equity, statement showing, or it is also called schedule showing changes in the equity. So now what is this equity? Actually this word equity is there, and we'll discuss this word equity in later part, because बहुत सारा उसमें in simple word what we can say that कि equity means your share capital and reserve and surplus. So equity shareholder का जो शेयर रहता है, दैट इज इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर फंड, इट इंक्लूड द रिजर्व एंड सरप्लस आल्सो. सो दैट आल्सो इज अ पार्ट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट. देन एक्सप्लेनेटरी स्टेटमेंट नोट एनेक्स टू और फॉर्मिंग पार्ट ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट. सो ये क्या है? सो व्हेन वी प्रिपेयर द बैलेंस शीट, सो इट वाज द अर्लियर टाइम एक्चुअली कि व्हेन वी यूज्ड टू प्रिपेयर everything in the balance sheet. Let us say this is our balance sheet. Here also we used to write land, building, plant and machinery, furniture, fixtures. So अभी ये नहीं रहा है. This is not there in the new balance sheet. So in new balance sheet what we have? We have fixed asset. One head is that fixed asset. Under this fixed asset we are writing all fixed asset. Let us say first plant and machinery is there. What is technically called it? PPE, property, plant and equipment. So under this property, plant and equipment we are going to write the all fixed asset. Let us say कि plant and machinery is there, furniture is there. So we are recording under this head. So what is this? Explanatory notes. So it is nothing but the notes which are forming part of the balance sheet. So that is also part of the financial statement. So when somebody asks you कि what are the components of financial statement, so you must say that कि financial statement consists 5 part. First part is that your balance sheet. Second part is your income statement, that is also known as the profit and loss account. Then third is that cash flow statement. Fourth one is that statement of changes in equity, and the last part is that notes forming part of balance sheet. So that is also integral part of the financial statement. So financial statement consists of 5 things. Then we'll move ahead and we'll see the what are the objectives of financial statement. अभी जो हम फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट बना रहे हैं और बनाए हैं, सो उसका ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है, उसका प्राइम ऑब्जेक्टिव जो है, सो फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट इज दैट व्हाट, टू प्रोवाइड फाइनेंशियल डेटा ऑन इकोनॉमिक रिसोर्सेस obligations of a concern, to provide financial data. So whatever financial data is there, we have to provide information about that. So what financial data relating to on economic resources? So the word economic resources is a very large term, actually big term. And obligation we know that. We'll simplify that these two terms. Economic resources, in simple word, it is the asset. Economic resources is nothing but the asset. Economic resources means what? Asset. Obligations means your liability. What is this? It is your liabilities. So assets and liability, you have to display information regarding the assets and liability. That is the first objective of financial statement. Second objective is what? Reveal implications of operating profit on financial position of concern. Financial position में ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट, राइट, ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट का फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन में क्या क्या इंप्लीकेशंस है, दैट इज द सेकंड ऑब्जेक्टिव. थर्ड ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू प्रोवाइड सफिशिएंट एंड रिलेवेंट इंफॉर्मेशन टू वेरियस पार्टीज इंटरेस्टेड इन फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट. वी आर गोइंग टू सी which parties are there who are interested in financial statement. So to them we have to provide the financial information. So third objective is that what? To provide sufficient and relevant information to the various parties. We are going to see that which parties are there. And lastly, to present true and fair view of the business. This is the last objective of the financial statement. So let us move ahead and let us check what are the essential qualities of the financial statement. Whatever financial statements you are preparing, so what should be the essential qualities? क्या क्या होना चाहिए उसमें, क्या क्या होना चाहिए? So first of all उसमें होना चाहिए relevance. Relevance का मतलब होता है related item should be presented. It is not like that कि कुछ भी उसमें दिखा रहे, that is not allowed actually, because specific format is given by the Companies Act 2013. So only the relevant item should be displayed in your financial statement. Then understandability means what? A person who is having a little bit background of the commerce field, he should be able to understand this financial statement. So understandability is also very important. Then reliability and accuracy. Reliability का मतलब होता है भरोसा, कि हम उस पर भरोसा कर सके. Reliability and what is called accuracy. It should be very accurate. Then after that comparability. So comparative का मतलब होता है कि we should be able or we should be in the position to compare that transaction or compare the position, and that is why Companies Act 2013 prescribe what it prescribe कि you have to show the previous year figures with the current year figures. That is why in the balance sheet, if you have given thought, so what they do, they show the previous year data with the current year data, previous year and current year, so that we can compare the 2 years figures. So comparability should be there. And then last is that completeness, or whatever the financial statement you have prepared, it should cover all aspects of the business transaction. It means that transactions or your financial statement should be complete, it should not be incomplete. So let us moving ahead and see that who are the parties interested in the financial statement. कौन कौन लोग हैं जो फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट देखने में इच्छुक है? So parties interested in financial statement and their utility. First of all, management is there. So obviously management is important or interested in the financial statement. They are running the business, they are earning profit, so they are interested in the sense that how much profit they have earned, what is the earning capacity of business. To know this thing, they are preparing the financial statement and they are very much interested in the preparation of this financial statement. Then after that, investors comes. Investor. In investor, we have three category. One is that shareholder, then debenture holder, and then prospective investor. Shareholders. Why shareholders are interested in financial statement? Because shareholders ने business में पैसा लगाया है. If they have invested their money in business, so obviously they will look for their benefit or their profit. So their profit is nothing but the dividend, or whatever the capital they have invested in business, that should remain long lasting. It should be long lasting. It means that capital erosion should not be there. Then डिबेंचर होल्डर का कंसर्न क्या रहता है कि उनको टाइमली इंटरेस्ट मिलना चाहिए. और देन prospective investor means what? Those who are going to invest. First of all, first category is that these people have already invested. Debenture holders are also already invested. Then prospective investor, they are going to invest in the company. So when they will start investing in the company, at that time they will definitely look upon the financial statement कि company का financial statement कैसा है. Are the financial position of concern is sound? Then they will check the liquidity, short term liquidity, long term liquidity, that will be there. Then banks. Why banks are interested in financial statement? Because they are granting loans. So when they will grant loan, at that time they will check whether business is sound or not, whether the business is able to repayment the loans or not. That is the one thing. Then trade creditors. उधारी पे माल देना है. So obviously they will check the whether current assets are sufficient or not to repay the current liabilities. So that is why trade creditors is also interested in the financial statement. Then government and their agencies. Government. So government को taxes चाहिए. So if taxes are if they want to collect the tax, so at that time they will check your the financial statement, whether the financial statement is correct, prepared as per the accounting standard, whatever the general principles of accounting are there, that is followed or not. So government and their agency like income tax is there. Then what we call income tax authority is there. Then SEBI is there. After that what enforcement directorate, that is ED is there. So all these agencies are also interested in the financial statement. Then employee भी interested होते हैं कि if somebody wants, let us say कि one employee is there and he want to establish the relationship between the salary and wages with the sales. One side sales is increasing over a period of time, but in comparison to that sales, wages and salary of the employees are not increasing. So why this is happening? To understand the reasons behind that, employees is also interested in the financial statement. Then customers. अगर कोई कंपनी बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट कमा रही है, तो इसका मतलब है कि there are various reasons actually कि why some companies are earning more profit. So sometimes customers feel that कि unnecessary exploitation हो रहा है. So that is why customer is also interested in the financial statement. Then stock exchange में अगर कंपनी को लिस्टिंग के लिए जाना है, तो ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम कंपनी कैसी है, क्या परफॉर्म किया है कंपनी ने, to check, and on the basis of that stock exchanges also interested in the financial statement. So I think with this we have concluded the first session on financial statement analysis and interpretation. That is a part of management accounting actually. So today we have discussed the syllabus of MCOM. Then we discussed the what is a financial statement. So financial statement is nothing but the end product of financial accounting process. After that we discuss what are the components of financial statement. In that we seen first there is a balance sheet, then second profit and loss account, third is that notes forming part of balance sheet, cash flow statement, and statement showing changes in equity. All these are the part of the financial statement. After that we seen that what are the objectives of financial statement. Then we seen the what are the parties or for whom we are preparing the financial statement. So with this we'll conclude today's session, and in the next lecture again we'll meet with the new topic. financial statement analysis and interpretation. Thank you very much.